Should people even be buying in this market?
I mean, I think that I've certainly cautioned a lot of my clients, if you're looking for a single family house, I think that there's certainly been better times. I mean, I would argue the same for the townhouse market as well. So, like I understand that people have a need, particularly for like a single family house, right? The need is, well, we want to set our roots down and we're going to live here for 10 years. So it's a little bit of a different dynamic. But I do think that if you're buying like a single family house today, again, as I mentioned in the suburbs, particularly prices are up, 25, 30%. You're probably, I mean, if you're going to buy today, I would say don't be surprised if you have a 10% pullback within the next 12 months. I just think it's gone too far too quick and I think that again, we're going to start to see inventory outpace sales. You'll go from a red hot market to a hot market to a balanced market to a buyer's market. But that takes a little bit of time. So that's kind of how I'm talking to my clients. I mean, as investors, I don't think the condo market's moved a whole lot. So I think that there's still, I still think it's a green light to go ahead. I think that you have to have, again, like in this market, you have to always have a long term outlook. Um, so for the investor, for a condo investor in Greater Vancouver, right? I mean, the reality is cap rates aren't high. I mean, they haven't been for a while. So you're looking at it as a lot of, hey, listen, I'm going to borrow at 2%, which I would argue is probably below the rate of inflation. And you try to lock that in and just basically collect the rents.